This is a video to help you with your worksheet, Polynomials Introduction. This is part 1. This is for Analytic Geometry, Unit 5. Alright, we're going to look at monomials. Alright. At the top of your worksheet, you'll notice that there is a chart. They have examples on the left-hand side and non-examples on the right-hand side. We're going to start with the examples. They give you -4. Basically, all numbers are monomials. Then they give you y. Well, a variable is a monomial. Now, down to the third line, the third row, it says products of variables. Notice they said a squared. You could have a cubed, you could have a to the 7th power. You could have a times b. Products of variables are okay. Let's look at the bottom line there. You'll notice they have 1/2 x squared times y. Products of numbers and variables are monomials. Okay? It's any number. Okay? You can even take the square root of the number. That's fine. But guys, you can only take products of the variables if you want to have a monomial. Let's look at non-examples. That's in the right side of your page. 2 raised to the x power. Notice that the variable is an exponent. Nope, can't do that. Alright, now we have on the next line x squared. That by itself is a monomial, but we're adding 3. You can't add things together and still have a monomial. Okay, let's look at the next one down, which is 5 minus 5 a raised to the 2nd power. I think I got it out right that time. Okay, you got a negative exponent. No. Alright, can't do that. Why? Because when you have a negative exponent, let's go down to the bottom there, it says 3 over x, because a negative exponent is really a quotient, isn't it? Can't have that. Only products. That's all you can do to your variables. You can't take the square root of them. You can't divide by them. Those are not permitted. If you do that, no longer a monomial or no longer a polynomial. Okay? Now, on your worksheet it says examples. Determine that each expression is a monomial. That's questions 1 through 5. You may want to pause the video and work on that. Okay, you should be done with 1 through 5. Now we're going down to about the middle of your page, and it says polynomials, and they want to know what a polynomial is. Well, basically a polynomial is a monomial. That's a polynomial. A monomial is a polynomial, and it's the sum of different monomials. Okay? Now when we add negative monomials together, you're actually subtracting. Okay? So don't let that throw you. Examples. Okay? Determine which expressions are polynomials. 6 through 11. You should now be done with questions 1 through 11. Okay, now we're about at the bottom of the page now, aren't we? And there's another box. And it talks about special types of polynomials. You'll notice they have a binomial and a trinomial. So what do they mean? Well, let's look at bi. I have a bicycle. It has 2 wheels. Then there's binoculars. Notice there's 2 places to look through. Trinomial. What is tricycle? Well, a long time ago I had a tricycle, and it has 3 wheels. I do have a tripod for my camera, and it has 3 legs. Now fill in the chart with your own examples. Okay? You might want to look at 6 through 11 to get some clues on what a binomial and a trinomial are. But use your own examples, okay? Now, it says questions 12 through 19 determine if each expression is a monomial, a binomial, a trinomial, or not even a polynomial. Okay, that's 12 through 19. Remember what bi means, remember what tri means. Go in and finish that up. You're done with part 1 of the video, but you're not done with this worksheet, are you? So, go on to Introductions to Polynomials, part 2. See you in part 2. Bye-bye.